Developments tonight on the flooding problem in Kokomo's Ivy Hill subdivision. A Howard County surveyor says the county cannot fix the problem until it owns the ground it needs to build a large stormwater basin. The design would reduce flooding and increase drainage capacity across the road. The surveyor's office is meeting with NDOT, landowners, and other stakeholders to secure the ground needed for the design. Also planning a town hall meeting with all the landowners once the surveyor knows how much the project would cost.